Hi guys, so we are having a really terrible day today.
Started off well, we spent the night, so I found a lovely spot up by an old castle, 12th century castle, stunning views down the valley.
Yeah.
We left there, beautiful drive through national park, winding roads, hills, forested hillsides either side, and then it all went Pete's on.
We've got a bit of a situation. We haven't done laundry for like probably close to a month. We've got no clean clothes whatsoever. The van smells.
So has been doing bits of hand washing.
Yeah, I don't know why. We've just sort of not found a laundrette and just sort of left it and thought, right, we'll just do a massive one. Anyway, so today was the day. Let's get it, let's do it. Can we find a laundrette? Can we bugger? We can't find a laundrette anywhere. There was one laundrette we found, it only had 2 washing machines with people queuing up. But yeah, you're not going to wait there all day. It was in a city, it was crappy parking, so we moved on. We can't find one. We've just tried to find somewhere to go, like a campsite, which might have had a washing machine. Drove all the way out there, it was closed. Another thing is, it stinks. It stinks of crap around here.
It smells worse outside than it does in the van.
It's really strong manure everywhere we've been today, and it's just making us feel sick. So the situation now is we're trying to find somewhere, but not round here, to park for the night because it just smells too much.
Oh my God.
The fields have all been done, and we're just gonna have to basically keep driving and hope to find somewhere, probably now tomorrow, to do the laundry.
Oh, really sick. That's so bad.
Oh, it's disgusting.
Oh.
Yeah, the smell is like borderline vomity, so it's like poo mixed with vomit smell, isn't it?
Totally. I mean, you have a light bit of manure, so you know, when you mind driving through the countryside in England, and it's like, oh, that's nice, smells of the country. But this is just
Something else. It really is.
Yeah.
We're about,
oh, driving.
well, how far are we? We're
About half an hour, 30, 35 kilometres, 40 kilometres.
to where we think we might be able to stay, where we want to stay, where there's a castle, which we weren't actually going to go till tomorrow, but we're going to go there now. So at least we're covering more ground. So we literally just pulled off the road and we feel like our look may have changed. No, not really.
Not at all. There's a small grassy area with some sort of pagoda.
And a car park. I wonder what that pagoda's all about. But at least now we can have something to eat and maybe have a shave and just sort the van out, put all the laundry to one side and at least clean the van and eat and then start again. All this is dirty laundry. There's more dirty laundry there. There's more dirty laundry there. There's food in the sink. We went grocery shopping before and that's just everywhere. It's a mess. It needs sweeping out and it still smells a bit here, doesn't it? But not as bad.
So this is really weird where we've parked. Basically, there's a small pagoda down there and about 7 or 8 cars now have pulled up, walked down there. I took a little walk down there and there's just a little small like tap, water constantly flowing, a little muddy stream, nothing to look at. But the people have pulled off the road and people are emptying out their current waters to fill up with that water.
And the weirdest thing is,
To top it all off,
this guy has just parked next to us. He's gone to fill up waters from 2, he's got 2 plastic bottles, only like 1.5 litre plastic bottles, and he's gone to fill them up in the fountain. It's all very strange. So the van is almost back to normal. We're gonna just put the groceries away, hidden all the dirty laundry for tomorrow or whenever we find a washing machine. So we need to have some food, sweep it all out, then both of us get changed because we feel a bit skanky, feed the doggies, and just get happy again because we've been right miserable sods for the last couple of hours. Haven't we? I'm so hungry that I forgot to show you what meal we had while preparing them, but we had falafels. I did take a picture of it though because it looked quite nice on the plate, so here's the picture now. Quite nice, you can see them here actually. Little falafels!
so nice.
I'm probably going to make a video on these actually, they cook really well in the Ridge Monkey. When I perfected the recipe. There's a few left over. Oh, we're so hungry. We've got the van sorted. Funnily, we've just been watching people pull up with their little water bottles, going all the way down there, filling up their waters and driving off again, whilst we just have our lunch, which has turned into evening meal because it's late now.
So Sarah's falafels were delicious. Nice gingery garlic twist, but for the full recipe you'll have to wait. Which is extras, which is really good. So we've got a little snack tonight. Before we leave here, I'm just going to go down and fill up all our waters to see what all the fuss is about, to see how good this water can actually taste. And then yeah, we best head off before it starts getting dark. So all the crowds have left now. 2 bike bottles and 2 5-litre bottles of water in the bag. You can sneak down and fill up and see how good it tastes. Doesn't look like much. I'm just piddling out. It must taste so. There's a weird eggy smell. Actually, that smells really eggy, so I'm not sure about drinking it.
Lovely scenery around here. We didn't see any of this because it was pitch dark. We just seen a lovely little spot we could have boomed up there, hidden in the countryside. We could have woke up and had breakfast and everything. That's the thing you need. You really need to be parking up when it's still daylight.
Just a little bit of visibility would help, but when it's just dark, you can't see 5.
There's no street lights obviously around here because it's the countryside. So you literally, now we can see there's lots of little pull-offs off the road, and we wouldn't have had to drive into that little village to hide away behind the tree.
So yeah, this is where we came late last night. The campsite's just opposite, and in the dark you could just see work going on from the road and like a dusty car park. There's quite a lot of activity, so we thought we'd best move on. But it's actually really nice. A lovely forest. There's a little bike track going down there, that little mountain bike track you can wind down, and then there's a viewpoint they've just built with a stunning view down to the castle, down to the picture perfect fairytale castle. Fortunately, it's not the best time of the day for photographs or video because the sun's just behind it, but with the human eye it looks absolutely awesome. So yeah, we'll have breakfast here and then go and check it out.
It's amazing, isn't it? Really, really nice fairytale castle. Definitely the best by far castle that we visited and seen. It's just got everything that a castle should have.
Yeah, we were just saying that it's just almost perfect. You've got the wall going around here, you've got a nice moat, and then you've got a nice hill that the castle sits on with just about the right amount of greenery.
Yeah, the ivory climbing up, and then the roots, exposed roots of the ivory as well, but not too much. So you can still, ivy. Sorry. So you can still see this sort of outer wall as well. And then obviously it's
the castle itself, it's quite nice. You got the oldest part, obviously the ramparts, the walls, and then you've just got loads of little sections, probably the chapel or the church sticking out here, and then all these proper fairy-tale-esque towers with the pointy spires. Really, really pretty.
I keep thinking I'm going to see
Mickey Mouse.
Rapunzel. Is it Rapunzel?
Oh yeah,
in
Rapunzel.
that centre one.
Throwing her hair out the window.
Yeah. Really nice, and you've got swans and their babies.
Yeah, nice one. Best one, definitely the best one we've seen so far.
We're not going inside because you have to do a tour with a guide, and apparently there's no English guides speaking. So yeah, so obviously we're going to leave it, and it's probably a fair amount of money as well because how nice it is. But it's just so spectacular from out here, to be honest. I don't think you really need to go inside, do you?
Not moving it.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice stop off. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and hit that like button below.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do, and keep the comments coming because we absolutely love to hear from you.
And we'll see you in the next video.
Love it, love it, love it. Lovely castle. This is my castle dance. Castles get me in the mood for dancing.
Outtakes.